What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the Ab Coaster Max. This device is a machine, a fitness piece of equipment for your abs. I'm going to share with you, I'm going to do a demo in this video to show you how this machine works and how to get the best results for your abs. I'm going to share my abs with you in a minute just to prove it to you that it gets you results if you do the work. And then the second thing I'm going to show you in this video is the features and sort of functions that are sort of extra with this machine that you wouldn't notice at a surface level that make it pretty cool and pretty functional to give you better results. So with that being said, let's dive in and do some ab stuff. Oh yeah. So what you're gonna do is get on the machine by putting your knee down on both sides like this, and you're gonna want your feet to lock in like a 90-degree angle down. And I will say this is probably one of the first downsides of the machine. I wish the machine had a little almost like an ankle holder here, because I find myself pulling my foot that way in order to hold this, in order to roll up this. But regardless, your body weight's on here, but you are gonna have, that little edge there is helpful. So then you're gonna lock either elbow in just like this. You're gonna hold down, and then all you're gonna do is pull up like this. And you're just gonna keep doing these reps. And you wanna pull up as high as you can this way, as high as you can up here. In fact, if you can touch your knees, all the better. It's very difficult to do, but you want to roll this way. Now, you'll notice something, that if I'm sitting down here and I'm like this, I can still roll, or I can shift my body upwards like this, and I can crouch forward even and do this. So each of those different positions is going to work either your upper abs or your lower abs, depending on where you're at. So if you're higher, you're working your lower abs. If you're lower, you're going to work your upper abs. And if you're kind of in the middle, you'll work your entire abs. And you just keep doing these reps. So you really just want to do them until you feel the burn. I mean, everyone's in a different physical state of health. So you just want to keep doing this until you feel a burn. Now, one more thing that you'll notice is that on this machine here, you'll see these. These are 5-pound weights. They're added on either side to add an extra 10 pounds to the rotation. So not only am I using my body weight as I move upward, but it's adding 10 more pounds of resistance. You can add up to 20 pounds. So you can do 10 pounds on either side, 5 pounds on either side, to make it a total of 10 or 20 pounds additional weight that you're pulling up. Another thing that you should know is on the top here, you have a repetition counter, which is pretty cool. That just tells you how many reps you've done so you can keep track of things. And then on the back here, there's this little thing that you pull down, and you can turn this to either side. And what's nice about that is when you do that, it locks in on the side. And this is used for your obliques. So you can lock in there like this, and then pull up like this. And now you're working your obliques on either side, on the right and the left, which is really nice because getting those obliques a workout is, you can feel it. I mean, you can definitely feel that burn, and it feels good. So you can obviously utilize that. You want to make sure it's locked in. This back thing here locks it in. So you just pull that down, and then you'll hear it pop, and then you can, move that to either side. And, don't work one side of your obliques without working the other. Like I said, make sure it's locked in, maybe shake it a little bit, and then with this, you would just simply go like this, and you would go on this side, and obviously do the same amount of reps on either side. You don't want to do more or less reps on either side because you don't want to have uneven muscles on either side of your body. So, I don't know how many I did on the other side, but do a similar amount, and then you're working your obliques. So what's nice about this machine is that right there, I'm working my obliques, with the extra weight as well, and I just leave it locked in facing forward. So what I like about it is when you're on this machine, if you're like this, like I said, if you're lower, you're gonna work your upper abs up here. If you're higher, if you're positioned higher and you're pulling up, you're gonna work your lower abs down here. And you're also gonna work your hip flexors right here. That's that divot that you get going down. So you can work your upper abs, your entire abs, your hip flexors, and then if you twist it to either side, you're gonna work your obliques on either side. So this machine is really nice. It's solid, it lasts, it's high quality. You know, it doesn't break or it's not rickety or anything like that. And it really does give you a pretty legit ab workout. It definitely works. You know, if you work the machine, it works. If you want abs, this is a great machine for that. It's called the Abs Coaster Max. So it's on Amazon. I think it's like 400 bucks, something like that. Believe it or not, like 10 years ago, this machine was something like 170 bucks or something. So this machine has actually appreciated in value, or it's just inflation, or a combination of both. Regardless, this machine is awesome and I think you'll enjoy it. And if you're looking to get abs, it definitely works, so check it out. I'll put the link below to the Amazon page for this product. Additionally, I'm a health and wellness coach. So if you need help on your fitness or health and wellness journey and your goals in doing that, shoot me a message on Healthy Wild Free. I'll put the Healthy Wild Free Instagram below. Also, if you're looking for more health and wellness products that are high quality that I personally vetted, I've vetted over 30 different health and wellness brands now. More than 20 of them have discount codes, free shipping, things like that. So check out that link below at healthywildfree.com/shop and you'll get a bunch of different discounts and special deals and supplements, superfoods, healthy fitness products, and so much more. Make sure to subscribe to Well Star Reviews and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.